Today, we will check how to use the ClickUp mobile app for all-in-one project management. So first of all, install the ClickUp app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, simply tap on the icon to open it on your screen. When the app opens, from the bottom, tap the Get Started button. On the next page, the application will ask you to enter your email address. Enter an active email address because you will receive a verification code in your email. Once the code is received, enter it in the provided field, and the app will verify the account and proceed to the sign-up page. On the sign-up page, you need to enter some basic information, such as your full name, which will display on your profile, and your password. Create a strong password of at least 8 characters and confirm it. Finally, tap the Sign Up button. After signing up, a new page will appear asking for the workspace name. Choose any name that you like according to your needs, and then tap Create Workspace. Within a moment, the workspace will be ready. Finally, tap on Play with ClickUp, and it will take you to the application's homepage. Just wait a minute in case it's applying the theme. And there you go. The theme is applied successfully, and now let's start exploring it. When you land on the home screen, you'll see different sections. At the top, if you swipe left, you'll see options for your activity, as well as tasks and jobs. From the bottom menu, tap on My Tasks to get access to all these features on one page. Back on the home page, next you'll see the Recently Created Tasks section. All these tasks are created by default. To make changes, tap on any task. Here, you'll see the status and details of the task. For example, to assign the task, tap Add Assignee, and from here, find and select a team member for this task. You can also set a due date from the calendar according to your project to meet the deadline. Also, you will find another option called Add Property. When you tap on that, you can choose options like priority, tags, or time tracking. If you select priority, more options will pop up, and you can choose urgent, high, normal, or low. For instance, choosing urgent emphasizes the task's importance. You can also add a description about your project, subtasks, or a checklist. At the very bottom, there is also an option to add media attachments. If you tap on Upload Attachment, it will allow you to choose a file or media from your phone's gallery. Once selected, it will upload. I am just uploading a random file for this demonstration. You can also check the Activity tab to see what changes you have made, messages sent, or actions performed in your task. You can leave a comment to engage your team, ask a question, or boost morale. Now let's go back to the home page. And under the Task section, you'll see channels created by default. To create a new one, tap the plus icon. On the new page, you can select existing channels, or to create a new one, tap Add Channel. A text field will pop up where you need to enter the channel name, and then tap the Create button to save it. Your new channel is now ready, as you can see in this section. If you open it, inside the channel, you can send messages to your team members about project details. Also, if you tap on the plus icon, it will open a new section. Here, you will find options like attaching files, using formatting such as headings, lists, and even colors. So, explore all these features to make your channel more professional. You can also style your text, add emoji icons, mention team members in chat, leave voice messages, and adjust text formatting. After making these changes, you can go back to the home page. In the Spaces section, you can see all tasks, access shared spaces, or invite new users to your team. Next, from the bottom, tap Inbox to view all messages from team members related to tasks or projects. Also, when you open My Tasks, you have already seen the section on the home page, which focuses on your activities and job status. From the bottom, if you tap the 3 dots for more options, a new section will pop up on the screen where you'll find extra features related to your projects. Just explore each section one by one. For instance, if you tap on Chat, it will open the chat where you can see messages you sent earlier in the channel, so you can explore features like these. If you tap the plus icon from the bottom right corner, it opens a new page with more options. If you want to create a list, space, chat, or document, you can select and create it easily. For example, if you want to create a document, tap Document. A text field will pop up where you have to name it and then tap Done. The document will save and open on the screen. If you want to edit it, tap the pencil icon at the bottom right corner, which allows you to start editing. You can add text or media files according to your needs, and once you're done, tap the check mark at the top to save. Now let's go back and view the document we recently created. And there you go. In this way, you can track and explore all activities you've done while managing your tasks. Next, at the top, tap on the flower icon and it will open ClickUp AI, an amazing feature that helps you complete tasks and track your activity. For example, if you ask, "What is the due date of task 2?" The AI will find the information and give you the details within a few moments. This is an amazing feature provided by ClickUp in their latest version. Now go back to the homepage to explore more features. From the top right corner, tap the 3 lines and it will open a page that lets you customize your homepage. You can add or remove features by checking or unchecking options to organize your homepage. Back on the homepage, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Here, you can view your profile name and image. You can also edit it if needed, adjust notifications, and access general settings, help, and resources. Finally, go back again and tap your workspace name at the top to see the active workspace. If you want to add a new one, tap Create Workspace and follow the same steps as before. This is a simple and clear overview of how a user can use ClickUp on their mobile phone to manage tasks and projects when they are not in the office or using a laptop.